My curiosity and thirst for knowledge landed me at Uzapoint. This is the best point of sale in Africa.
I was referred by a colleague.
I came to know about it through a friend.
My name is Abraham Buthia. I'm the CEO and founder of Uzapoint. And so at Uzapoint, we offer a bookkeeping solution for small and medium-sized businesses in Africa. 90% of businesses in Africa are SMEs, and about 87% of employment in Africa comes from SMEs. We've started an apprenticeship program that will empower as many young people as possible to be able to get jobs.
I am happy to be a beneficiary of the program.
I have been taken through their training.
I am a beneficiary of a program offered by Uzapoint.
One thing that stood out for me is how customer-centered they are.
I really enjoyed the training that I did on customer experience, especially because I can see a team that is ready to integrate customer support and customer success into their sales, which is an aspect that is really missing when it comes to a lot of sales teams.
Your work is to unlock the opportunity for all those SMEs.
So we've started this program with about 9 people in our first cohort, and we hope in the next 10 years we will be able to impact about 5,000 people in Africa through this apprenticeship program, which also becomes part of our CSR activity. And of course, in line with the SDG goals, we want to eradicate poverty and create decent work and economic growth.
And my take home from the program is that be confident in yourself, go out there, do what you do best, and you will succeed.
In a world full of challenges and problems and needs that arises each and every day, Uzapoint is there to offer a solution.
I'm very passionate and I feel ready for the market, and I know that I will no longer be the same person. I will make a difference, I will make a change, and I will make an impact.
This team is actually ready to really take care of the customer, to really look out for the customer's needs and make sure that they are actually happy with the product, they are happy with the experience, and I'm really excited to see that actually bloom.
So we are looking for partners, people who want to connect with us, and most importantly, we are looking for young people out there who want to connect with this dream and help us make an impact to the world, even as they also upskill themselves and make a decent living. Thank you.